Next, we will demonstrate the chain stitch. We will position the embroidery hoop towards ourselves. This will make it easier to embroider. We use 6 strands of floss, color number 9 for the embroidery. Bring the needle through at the end position. Then bring the needle down in the same place. Do not pull the floss tight. Let it form a loop. Then bring the needle through the front. Loop the floss around the needle. Then pull the floss tight. Bring the needle down at the position where you brought it through. Do not pull the floss tight. Let it form a loop. Then bring the needle through at the front. Place the loop onto the needle. Then pull the needle out. This forms a loop. Let's demonstrate it one more time. Bring the needle down in the original position. Bring the needle through from the front. Pass through the loop. Repeat the previous steps. Stitch along the lines of the pattern to complete it. The size and spacing of each stitch should be consistent. This allows the chain to have continuity. Chain stitch is widely used in embroidery. It can be used to outline shapes or decorate lace patterns. Bring the needle down to secure the last stitch in front of it. The chain stitch is now complete. Let's take a look at the finished result. The above 14 stitches have been demonstrated. Next, let's look at the pattern in the middle. These patterns include the stitches we learned earlier. I will guide everyone to complete it together. The pattern in the center combines all the stitches in this work. It will deepen our understanding of the stitches.